Tiniyak ni DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla na ligtas sa mga senador kasunod ng putukan. Sa pagharap ni Remulla sa media, sinabi niyang hindi patukoy kung sino ang nasa likod ng putukan at patuloy itong iniimbestigahan. Una umanong nagpaputok ang mga tauhan ng Senate Sergeant at Arms bilang warning shot, pero sisiyasatin pa nila ang mga CCTV footage. Iginit din ng kalihim na hindi siya naroon para arestuhin si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Ligtas umano si de la Rosa na humiling na manatili sa kanyang opisina.
The President has given strict instructions. Secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa.
Senate is safe.
Teka. We are sweeping all the floors. We have asked those non-essential personnel to leave, and we will investigate each and every person in that are not essential here. Senator De La Rosa has been informed that we are doing a sweep of the building. He has informed us that he wants to rest in his chambers. He is safe.